Welcome to Kids Learning Center.
Hello kids. In this video, we will learn counting.
London Bridge is falling down.
1,
1,
Falling down. London Bridge is falling down. My fair lady.
2,
2,
Build it up with sticks and stones. Sticks and stones. Sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones.
3,
3,
Fair lady.
4,
4,
Sticks and stones will all fall down.
5,
5,
All fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down. My fair lady. Build it up with
6,
wood
6,
wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and
7,
clay.
7,
My fair lady.
8,
8,
Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will
9,
wash
9,
away. My fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel. Iron
0,
and steel.
0,
Build it up with iron and steel.
red color,
My fair
red color,
lady.
orange color,
orange color,
yellow color,
yellow color,
blue color,
blue color,
Iron and steel will bend,
green color,
bend and
green color,
bend and bow. Iron
purple color,
will bend,
purple color,
my fair lady.
pink color,
pink color,
Is falling down,
brown color,
brown color,
London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
1,
1,
2,
2,
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up
3,
3,
again.
4,
4,
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down
5,
came
5,
the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
6,
6,
7,
7,
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain.
8,
And the
8,
itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
9,
9,
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck 1, the mouse ran down.
0,
0,
Hickory dock, tick tock,
1,
tick tock.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Hickory dickory dock,
6,
the bird looked at
7,
the clock,
8,
struck 2,
9,
away she
0.
flew. Hickory dickory dock,
Thank you. See you soon.